Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my amazing artists. How are you today? I hope you're ready to create. Our today's topic is making a collage. What is a collage? A collage is an artwork. When you're sticking some media, such as papers, grains or beans, cotton, fabric, or decorative item like this, or even wood, rock, even leaves like this that we are going to do today. When you're sticking things onto a surface, you are making a collage. Now let's create a collage about dry season. Prepare all your media and tools and let's get ready to rumble and say basmalah. First thing first, please write down your name and class behind the paper. Now you are going to draw a broom on your origami paper. I have two like this. I will draw the broomstick. This is my broomstick and this will be my bottom part of the broom. There you go. I will draw lines here because I will cut this part. Do the magic with your scissors. Cut, 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 cut. Make a clean cut. I have cut mine. This is the broomstick. This is the bottom part. And I will decorate my broom because I know I would like mine to be a pretty broom. You can add anything you like. Now whenever you finish layouting like this, you may stick it using your glue. Stick it good. And then it's time to scatter around the dry leaves. Scatter around and make it good. Stick this using your glue. And if you want to add another things, that's okay. I say just go for it. It's up to you because you are the artist. Now we have finished. Let's say hamdalah. Enjoy your time at home, kiddos. Be good, stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.